if I'm the prince, I could have strangled that girl. I could have disfigured her ugly face for ruining my clothes. Anyway, I don't blame the prince because he wasn't aware the girl have already spoiled his clothes.
For someone who doesn't even know what is white, she does not know that the prince is putting on white to start. Can't she differentiate between black and white?
Why do you both love bullying Amanda?
I said it.
Why do you love bullying her? Yes.
How?
Or do you feel intimidated by her? Yeah, tell me now, because I don't understand. She's from a poor home. Her parents suffered and struggled to see her through school and graduated. Unlike you, Ndidi. Your parents, they don't have money. And that's why you dropped out, you all know. And you, Ego.
That's you wanted to say it. Yes, say it. Come closer.
Calm down. we know that you repeated class multiple times. Yes, and your parents, they got fed up and
they got fed up.
And they stopped paying school fees.
They stopped paying my school fees.
That's why we are here.
So they stopped paying my school fees.
No.
Come back here! Don't go back here! Tell me that rubbish. Just see her. I don't even blame her.
This girl, let's go.
Let me walk like her.
This girl don't get sense.
The king has put me in charge of everything land matters in the kingdom. In fact, I'm in charge of that land as we speak. Everything concerning land is under my portfolio. In fact, he's even angry that you people are offering 600 million. He said if it is not 700 million, it is nothing. See, why not tell me that you people are not serious? So that I will thank you for wasting my time all this while. And wasting the time of the community. Do you know what you stand to benefit from that land? Look, apart from that land is on site. That land has mineral deposit buried under it. There is gas, there is oil, even coal, everything you can think of is in that land. Yes, the white men told us some time ago that we have minerals under our land. And now I'm trying to do you a favor. You are supposed to be thanking me. 650 million. Anyway, we can manage it. We can manage it. But remember, the first installment will be paid into the community's account. Then the rest will be paid into my own account for security purposes. Yes. For the letter-headed paper. No, the letter-headed paper will be in the community's name. Forget about that. I know what I'm doing. I'll be expecting the alert. Chinelo, I we are rich. Yes, the people, they have agreed to pay that money. They have agreed to pay that amount. As I speak with you now, we are met. No, Mbana, it's not yet time. Remember, you are there for a purpose. You are there on a special assignment. Yes. What happened is that once this money enters into my account, I will use just a fraction of it to go around the community, the kingdom. I will bribe whoever is bribable. When I bribe them, I will get them into my side. You know what? So even the king said the stool, the one of the leg is even checking.
Evil man. Your plans this time will never work.
Will never work, as if you will not partake in that money when it comes.
Fiakwa, I will never touch your evil money. Ego Obala. Haven't Don't you observe that this time around, I don't ask you for money anymore? Your blood-stained money. I will never touch it. Ego Obala.
No wonder Aristotle described you people as moblet. Keke engine brain that is powering Dangote trailer. You cannot function. You people are senseless. If I had known, I wouldn't have gotten married at all. Because this type of person that is my house is mufutum factor. It's a foolish factor.
Mom. What happened? Why did you change of clothes?
Mom, it's alright, I'm fine.
Huh? Son, I'm here, my darling. Be careful.
Your Majesty, the deed is ready. Yes, this is it. In fact, everything is perfectly in order. I have gone a step ahead of your expectations. The only thing that is remaining is for you to append your royal signature here, authorizing the people, the delegates that will come for land inspection, to know the number of years they will have that land on lease. That's all that is needed. So you can see everything is perfectly ready. We are good to go.
So, take it easy. One step at a time. Easy. Yes. It's okay. It's alright. Ebele, tell Ebuka to get the prince phone immediately. Hurry up! Son.
Father, I am fine.
Take it easy. One step at a time.
I will append my signature on this so that the project can go out.
Jidena, what is the problem? Eh? Why are you this sad?
So, talk to us. Did anyone disrespect you or make jest of your situation? Just let me know so that I will severely punish that person.
No, Father. Nothing of such happened. I saw the wife of the late Onowu. She's crippled.
Onowu has been crippled for years. Is that what is bothering you?
Yes, Mom. You know, it reminds me of how vibrant and full of life I was before this blindness. And seeing her condition hurts me so much. I feel so bad.
I don't want you to be at this stage of genuflecting your conscience because of this. You need to be strong, not only for this family, but for the entire kingdom.
You know what, son? You need a bride. That way, so many negative thoughts will be off your shoulders. Yes.
Mother.
Yes, son.
Who will want to be with a liability like me?
So, don't talk less of your personality. You are the next in line to sit on the throne of our fathers. However, I'll do the needful.
You heard what you said. Everything will be alright, okay?
Okay, Mother.
It's alright.
Okay.
You'll be fine.
Yes, sir. Do this. Please, is your mother at home?
Please, your mother ordered for charcoal. Please, I've brought it. Can you call her so she can come and collect it? Her money is 4-5.
Jesus Christ!
Oga, is there any problem?
You are in this village, and Nnamdi don't know. Look at how beautiful and adorable you look. Tell me. Wow! Well, anyway, you too fine. But let me tell you something. Your baham and the frontal is finer than you. I must tell you, it's a good compliment.
Okay. If you are done with being a comedian, please let me call your mother out, so that she can come and pay me for the call. That's her call. Thank you very much.
Yes. Talk of my mother. Yes. She gave me the money to give to you.
Oh, okay.
Okay, but she has gone to the market. So what we will do now is, before we give you the money, I want you to come. Let's just go inside so I can feel you, and you can feel me. You understand? You like it. I'm telling you. You get it. Let's go.
It is obvious you are high on cheap drugs. How dare you say such disgusting and demeaning words to me? Are you stupid?
It's me, Nnamdi, you're talking to.
No, your ancestor.
Look at this girl. Because I want to help you. A girl I want to help her life.
Oga, give me my money, I beg. I don't get time for plenty talk.
I won't fit for me, no. You are forming for me.
Just pay me, let me leave here.
I make a song come out here.
What?
I'm not giving you the money. Yes. Leave this place.
How dare you call me a prostitute? Are you mad? If you try this nonsense next time, I will show you how to treat a disrespectful idiot like you. Manhole, he goes. Yeah, Amanda, you think I'm here for you to disrespect me? I will teach you how it is to respect a woman. Disgusting human being. Amanda, you can keep the money for all I care. I don't need your seat. I'm
Did you just slap my man? Amanda! Amanda, you just slap my man! Amanda, hold on! Amanda, just hold on there! Amanda, don't take the issue, hold!
No, Mamola. This girl, Mamola. Hey! Oh, Mamola, man. Namde. Coordinate. Calm down.
Stop this miserable wheelbarrow.
Ego. Since when have you grown breast to start even misbehaving when you see me on the road? Listen, the next time you try to stop me, you see this my wheelbarrow, I'll use it to overrun you. You don't know me.
Well, Amanda, that you will never do. In this your miserable life, not in the next. Now answer me. How dare you lay this your cursed hand on my man? What's so funny?
You call that thing a man? You see why it's good to go to school? It's good for it to be literate. Yes. That thing, a man. No wonder they say birds of a feather flocks together.
What do you mean, you lousy bee? What do you mean by birds of the same feather flock together? Well, I do not want to know. I just guess you tried to seduce him and he refused it since you're obviously not his type of a girl. You're just big for nothing and you slapped him. Anyway, I just confirmed that you don't only sell charcoal, Amanda. You also sell your body, which is not a bad thing. Nonsense.
First off, it is not birds of the same feather. It is birds of a feather flocks together.
I do not care.
Learn that. I know, you know, illiteracy is a disease, so you should learn that, right? Secondly, so in this tiny, whiny little pea brain of yours, you dumb skull, you think if I want to seduce a man, is that loser I'm going to seduce? I don't have that time. A man in his 30s, still living under his father's roof, eating food prepared by his mother. What a laugh. Newsflash. That idiot, that he-goat, was the one who tried to sleep with me inside his house. A girl he has never met before. For the very first time that he's seen me. His he-goat thing is already standing. He was trying to sleep with me. And you're here, calling him your man. With pride. Ego, you should hide your face in shame. In fact, I think I should give you some charcoal. Grind it and rub your face in shame. That thing, a man. Listen and listen good. Once you leave this place, go back to that idiot, that nasty thing you call a man. Tell him, or in fact, go there and tame that dog in heat. Because the next time he will try such idiocy, I will definitely put him in his place. I won't warn you next time, and I won't warn him. Like I said, called birds of a feather flocks together. I know you did not go to school.
You ain't go to school now. Do I blame you? See her head. I don't blame you. You did.
See, wait, I don't understand all of this thing. Ego, what's all of this bullshit? Ego, why are you pestering me around? Like a sense of fly, what's this, all of this thing now?
What kind of the same question is that one now? Are you not my boyfriend? So I'm allowed to follow anywhere you go to.
Me? Your boyfriend? How? I don't understand. What do you mean by me, your boyfriend? Look, let me tell you something if you don't understand. What I had with you was just a one-time fling. And that's it. Snap all of this out of your mind. Do you get it? Stop making a fool of yourself, for God's sake.
Now you're the one making a fool of yourself to think I, Ego, will leave you for another woman. How can you say I'm mother for the very first time and you want to sleep with her? How many more girls do I need to fight because of you, Namdi? Must you sleep with everything on the skirt? Must you?
Wow, now I understand where this is coming from. I'm on the right. Wow.
talk about Amanda. That girl, I think that girl should be the girl I should settle for.
What?
Nothing more, nothing less. Yes, because she has the front, the back, and the curvish kind of shape. So let me tell you something. Amanda is the girl I want to settle with. Ah, Amanda, baby. That's the girl I want to settle with. Do you know the reason? She's hardworking, and you're not. Yes.
Nnamdi, that will never happen. You can never leave me, Nnamdi. It is me or no other girl.
Really?
Yes.
Is that what you say?
Yes, Nnamdi.
Alright, fine. You can take the door. I'm done with it.
Nnamdi! 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 How many times did I call you Nnamdi? Nnamdi, you will not leave me for another woman. Not in this life. Not in the next one, Nnamdi.
Amanda, that's the girl I want to settle. Wait! Yes! Do you understand? Because she has all the whole curves I want as a man.
So what happened to this one?
Hello?
Is this one not curvy enough for you, Nnamdi? What happened to this one? It's not curvy enough for you, Nnamdi.
I have eaten it. I don't want obono. Now I want uha.
Is that uha that will purge you, Nnamdi? That uha will purge you.
Uha.
Come and eat and let me see you.
I want uha.
Where are my customers? Today's charcoal is nice. Oh. Yeah, be found on that. Afia. Afia. Aha. Today's one is nice. Why are you angry? Why is your face like this? Who provoked you? Okay. Ah! I don't want to talk to you. I don't want to talk to you again. Somebody help me, my leg. My leg, somebody help me, my leg. Money, no baba, yeah, never. Money, you want to get it. Money, never help me. Mama, okay, Mama. What happened? Okay, Mama, wait. Please, my leg. Mama, wait. Mama, wait. My leg. Mama, what happened? Hi. Okay, wait. What happened now? Ego. Finish me. Ego, finish me. Ego, no, brother. Want to go munka? Mama, can I name Musobu? Can I name Musobu? You tell me I can't do that. Oh, hiccup. Easy. No one is spending me. Sorry. What happened here? Mama, what happened here? Mama, what happened?
Thank God you are here.
Mama, what is going on? What happened? Don't delay. What happened?
Ego came and beat Mama up. Not even beating Mama up. Ego came. She pushed Mama down. What? Look at everything. Just look at everything.
You mean Ego did all of this?
Ego did it.
That's fine. Hold this back for me. I'll be right back. No, come back, please.
Mama, leave her.
Please. I don't want trouble.
See, they invited trouble, so we welcome trouble.
No, I don't want problem.
We welcome problem, Mama.
Go after her.
Mama, but if I go after you, will be after you now.
I'm really that one. Hey, girl! Where is that stupid, disgusting, and silly girl? Where is she? Oh, she had the nerve to even spread this stupid, dirty, irritating clothes of hers. She had dirty idiot clothes. Stupid girl. Ego! Ego, where are you? Come out and face me! Why are you hiding behind shadow? Ego! Hey! If you call yourself a woman, face me! Stupid thing! Silly idiot! I am ready for you! Ego! I'm very, very hungry. When you see, Normal.
Ewo, Chimu. Ha! Oh my goodness. Who threw my expensive clothes on the floor? This must be the handwork of Amanda. It must be that devil who will have the mind to throw my expensive clothes. Clothes that she and her mother put together cannot afford. Does she know how much this clothes cost? Don't worry, Amanda, I'm coming for you. Amanda, you stupid girl, I am coming for you. Amanda, come and face me! How dare you throw my expensive clothes on the floor, Amanda? Amanda is very great.
You have not told me what you went to Ego's house to do. You haven't told me what you went there to do.
Mama, I didn't do anything. I simply left her a message. Whenever she comes back, she will meet the message I dropped for her. Yeah. And when she dares to even come to me, like I know she will, I'll be here waiting. I'll do that thing I've always had in mind. Yes, Mama.
Amanda.
Mama.
Amanda.
Mama.
Amanda, please. You know that girl is worrisome. I don't want you to incur her wrath on also.
Mama.
Because,
can you calm down?
Come to think of it, I thought you have lived all this your life of quarreling and fighting in the past. Why did you go and pick it up?
Mama, I stopped it. But of course, you know I used to be a street fighter. Yes, growing up I was a street fighter. But some people will not just let me be. I decided to even stop all this nonsense because of maturity. But some evil people will not allow me be. They will keep testing my patience. They want to know how feeble or how strong I am. For what? Is it because of my body size or what? Mama, I've decided to give everybody energy for energy.
Take me home, please.
I don't have strength for quarrel.
Amanda, you daughter of a witch. How dare you go to my compound and mess up my expensive clothes? Clothes that you and this your wretched mother put together will never afford and can never afford.
And how dare you insult my mother in my presence? Are you stupid or something? Don't you have a brain? You don't have an old woman's picture in your home? Don't you have a single atom of respect in your body? You know what? Mama, no. I've been condoning this nonsense, but enough is enough. It's time I teach this stupid girl a lesson. At least when I am done with her, Mama, that picture will be stuck in your brain. So whenever you see an elderly person along the road, you will respect them and you will remember this day forever. Okay? Not today. No, not today. Please. Amanda, help me. Amanda, please. I need to Mama, don't let see your doing it. Ego, I've told you to leave Amanda alone. If you'd have listened to what I said, all these things wouldn't be happening to you.
Shut up, Adako. Why will she lay her filthy hands on my friend? Why?
Don't shut me up. If you're the one whose mother was beaten, and Ego didn't stop at that, she poured water on their charcoal, their means of livelihood.
Look, she deserved whatever she got for trying to spoil the relationship between Ego and him. So, of course, why not?
Which Nnamdi? Which Nnamdi are you talking about? The same Nnamdi that don't care about Ego. Okay. I even heard Nnamdi will be traveling permanently to the city. Yes, to join his uncle in his mechanic business.
And I could stop. Don't leave my hand. Please, don't worsen my wounds with your lies.
Ego, please, you need to report her to the palace. You need to do that. What is all this? She needs to be taught a lesson.
Ego, I'm just giving you this advice. And please listen. Leave Amanda alone, Ego. Biko, leave Amanda alone. Bring your hand. Let me just do this thing I'm doing.
Easy! How can you take it easy? No, you now just pour me the water to carry it and pour on my body. Add to my own pain.
If you say I should pour,
pour her the hot water now.
I don't want to pour, but if you say I should pour, let me just... Let me help you.
Don't touch me again, please.
Ego is here to see you.
Oh, later, eh?
Yes, my queen.
Okay, this is nice. I'm going to take this.
Yes, ma'am.
What happened to you?
My queen, it's Amanda, the daughter of Onyinye. The woman who sells charcoal. The late Onowu's daughter.
What? You mean Amanda did this to you?
Yes, my queen. She has been bragging about graduating before me just because I dropped out of school because my parents couldn't afford my school fees anymore. So I decided to confront her and she picked me up. She broke all my bones, my queen. She hit my head on the ground. I did not stop there. She went to my house and beat up my mother.
What?
Yes, my queen. She even tore my expensive clothes.
Amanda. I am shocked.
Simia, my queen. I am shocked too. I can't believe that she could go to this extent just to get back at me.
God.
Yes, my queen.
God! Go and summon that maid to this palace immediately.
Yes, my queen.
Greetings. What is the palace guard doing in my compound? I hope all is well now.
There's no problem. The queen asked me to summon your daughter right to the palace.
Hey, my daughter. Huh? Please tell me, is there any problem? Huh? Is there any problem, Pico? Huh?
I don't know, Ne.
I would go with you. Mama, I'm sure Ego has gone to report me to the royal hall.
Hey,
Mama.
This is not good at all. This is trouble.
Mama, a clear conscience fears no accusation.
Hey.
I'll be right back, okay? I won't be long. Take care of yourself. Okay?
Okay.
Let's go.
Have a nice day, Ne.
My God will go with you.
Easy. Greetings, my queen.
Keep your greetings to yourself. How could you be this wicked and heartless to do this to your fellow maid? All because you're a graduate and she's not. And when she confronted you, you did this to her. Beat up her mother and tore her clothes. How could you?
My queen, forgive the fact that I stand before you for such a case. But I promise you, my queen, I did not.
Amanda, shut up! Stop playing the victim here. Just admit that you hate me, you beat me up, you beat up my mother. Just admit it. My queen, she's lying.
My queen, everything she has told you are lies. My queen, she was the one who threw my mother on the floor, proceeded to beat her up, also poured water on our charcoal. My queen, for the longest of times, Ego has bullied I and my mother. But today's own was too much. I just could not take it.
So why didn't you report to the royal home? I would have locked you up in the royal dungeon till you starve to death. But I wouldn't do that. Because of old time's sake. And as for you,
all this should stop. You men should respect yourself and stop all this nonsense. You may leave, Amanda.
I'm truly sorry, my queen. Excuse me.
Amanda, you're a good girl. Do not let bad people bring out the worst in you. Because at the end of the day, they have nothing to lose. Keep being the good girl that you are. Okay?
Thank you for your kind words, my prince.
How's your mother?
She's doing okay. And she'll be really worried about me now. I beg to take my leave, my prince.
Okay.
Do have a nice day, my prince.
Thank you. Extend my greetings to your mother.
I will.
Amanda! Amanda!
I knew you were lying. Because if I had put my full weight on you that day, trust me, you will not survive it. Trust me, you won't be alive. So even carry this your disgusting hand to tie that bandage around your head or even your hand. Yes. So you have the nerve to carry my name to the royal home to go and lie, eh? Just thank your gods and thank your stars, okay?
Amanda, the war between us just began. You think you've gone free just because the queen was sentimental about her verdict? Of course not. You should watch your back.
If you try this nonsense next time, I promise you, I will forget about the royal home. I will beat you blue, black, and bury you, and make sure that none of your carcass is even found. Do you understand me? Don't try me next time. Do you get it? After I do that, I will damn the consequences that follows after. Just watch me. Try it and see.
Then we shall see. Nonsense. This stupid girl, look at her. I don't blame you. Let's see.
Mama! Hi. No. Mama. You are welcome.
Welcome. I've been worried. Huh?
Mama.
How did you go?
Mama, you don't have to be worried. But Mama, can you imagine that ego girl? That stupid girl went to tie bandage on her head. Hey, Mama, even on her hand. She lied to the royal home that I beat her blue black, that I even broke her bones, that I even went to her house, beat up her mother, tore all her clothes to shreds. But Mama, I promise there's no iota of truth in what she said. I promise.
Sure you did not touch her?
Mama, will I lie to you? I can't lie to you.
Is she that bad?
Mama, that girl is rotten. She's the definition of rotten. Huh?
Hey, but my daughter, why did you allow that demon to bring out the beast in you?
But
why?
Mama, at times you have to give people what they truly deserve. Yes.
My baby, my baby. Mama?
What are you doing here?
Let me go straight to the point. I'm here to tell you that I'll be traveling to the city by next week. So I came to tell you that I want you to be my wife. And you see, I want to just try and see maybe I can do small thing now. You understand? Then when I now go to the city, where Dopotaya put the money, I will not come back. I do the right thing. You have to go why? And see, you see this your Baham. I mean, if I'm kill you, I don't want it to be a waste. Yes. And you see, I don't want any other person to tamper with my property.
Just shut your mouth. Shut your mouth, Nnamdi. I can see that you're already raving, obviously. But you know what? I'll give you a chance. Turn around and leave my father's compound. Get out now.
See, I'm here to...
I say leave this place. Mama.
Almost yes, so. Mocha phone.
Did you just carry that your disgusting hand to hit my buttocks?
No, I touched. I mean, foam. I forgot feeling it.
My daughter, avoid him. Just ignore him. Yeah? No, don't allow me to just jump down from this place now.
Mama, just relax. Get out. Mama, relax. Let me handle this.
I will lay a curse on you.
Mama, can you calm down? I know I have made a vow that I will never fight again, but at times, you just allow the Holy Spirit take its course. Even the Holy Spirit will forgive me. Holy Spirit, permission to just this is the money for the last chapter. Take your money. That's the money in
This one you summoned us this urgent. I hope there is no trouble.
Oh no, never is none about brother. My son, Jidela, is the next in line to sit on the throne of our fathers. And in line with our tradition, we cannot say it is not yet good for him to choose a bride. I know your daughter will ripe for marriage. Mazobi, I know your daughter just graduated from the prestigious University of Leeds. It will be bad idea if my son comes for a hand in marriage.
Your Highness, yes, you are right. My daughter just graduated. Yes. But I want her to start working so that she can be getting money. She's not ready to marry now, Your Highness. She's not ready. I'm sorry.
Mazi Madu. But your daughter, I know, she was working with a bank.
Point of correction. My daughter is not yet through with school. And marriage is a good thing. Marriage is a good thing. I would have loved her to get married. But she has not finished school. I would have considered.
I hope you understand that I don't want my son to go outside this cycle.
Of course.
And you?
Your Majesty, what you said is a very good thing. But, my daughter got a call from somewhere, and I don't think she will be available because she said I should not call her to the village for some time.
Enough! Enough! I cannot be made jest of this way and still sit here like nothing happened. Oka!
Up here.
Please take me away from here. I can't be mocked in this battle.
is why they left us like this. Let us go and find that problem. Let us go to them.
Son. My son.
Mother.
You really need to calm down. Huh? You will definitely find a maiden that will love you for who you are. Okay? Please. You need to calm your nerves. What are you looking at? How long have you been standing here? My friend, get out. Get out from here. Yes? What are you doing here?
I came to find out if the prince needs anything.
He doesn't. Now leave. Leave! Like I said, son, you need to calm your nerves, okay? Everything will be fine. Okay?
Alright, I've heard you, Mom.
Sorry, son.
I want all of you to leave the palace right now.
Your Majesty. But everything is not over yet.
I said get out!
I think we should get out. Get out. Let's conclude the business. Your Majesty. Just for you to
get out!
What's so urgent that you brought me out here? I saw Chinelo eavesdropping at the prince and queen's conversation not quite long.
I told you that that girl was in this palace for a mission. But you thought I was lying.
I believe you now.
You know, after our last conversation, I said I was going to mind my business. But now I've seen that something is going on here. I will try to find out what it is.
How do we find out?
Leave it to me. Leave it to me.
I'm telling you, I have never seen the king this angry before. Hey, Mazobi, it's your fault. If you have allowed your daughter to marry the prince, all these things wouldn't have happened.
You're a very stupid man.
Omu?
Yes, you're a very stupid man. See, it's like something is wrong with you. Why don't you agree for your daughter to marry the prince? Are you a fool?
Hey, you both should stop arguing like children. Stop arguing like children.
You know what? See, let me tell the both of you.
What concerns me most is the way and manner the king shouted angrily at Onowu. So you people did not see that? Eh? You did not see it? That the way he shouted at Onowu, it shocked me deep into my bone marrow. Hey!
You are right too.
You are here arguing like children.
That's true. Since my life on that palace, I have never seen the king speak to Onowo in that manner. Something is wrong somewhere.
Yes.
Something is wrong somewhere.
That means that what we did back there really hurt the king.
thank the gods.
You both.
No. The king. Thank the gods. You speak to Onowo on that manner.
Hey! Mban, I got the panakarika.
I know I'm supposed to give you a complete signed document, but it is yet to be signed. Just exercise patience. We have a very important traditional exercise at the palace, and the king is yet to sign it. Don't worry, just give me till next tomorrow. You get those signed documents. Oh, you trust me. No, I am the traditional prime minister. Extraordinary, plenipotentiary. Without me, nothing works there. Just, please, you will get it. Thank you.
Are you a well-trained maiden of this land? Are you beautiful? Can you cook? Then this announcement is for you. Prince Jidena has decided to choose a bride. So all eligible maidens are advised to come to the palace in the next 2 market days to showcase themselves. Who knows? You never can tell who the chosen one will be.
This is so funny. So wait, the prince couldn't choose a bride when he was whole, when he was complete. Now that he's blind, now that he's incomplete, he wants to choose a bride. I can never be part of this nonsense, and I will never be. And by the way, I already have a boyfriend. Namdi, my baby.
Namdi.
Yes.
Okay, I wouldn't love to end up with a handicapped man, but I will give it a try because he's wealthy. Of course, I am going for the money.
Suits you, please.
Well, I, on the other hand, I would.
Shut up!
Rubbish.
Let's go.
Are you a well-trained maiden of this land? Are you beautiful? Can you cook? Then this opportunity is for you. Prince Jidena has decided to choose a bride. So all eligible maidens are advised to come to the palace in the next 2 market days and showcase themselves. You never can tell who the chosen one will be.
Hello, my daughter. Please come home. I heard that the prince wants to get married. My daughter, please come home. Maybe you will be the chosen one.
Mama, why are you giving me bombastic side-eye? What is it? Fine, say what's on your mind. Did you hear that? Hear what? I did not hear anything. What do you want me to hear? Neither did I give birth to a deaf child. Mama, please stop. Please, I am not interested in getting married to the prince. Please, the prince is a kind and a loving man. Good and fine for him. Any other maiden in this village will be lucky to have him. Oh, please leave me out of it, okay? I am not interested.
But not you. No, not you. You brought one. No. Look, you deserve something good and lovely. Huh? Don't allow Onodo, our situation, to make you underestimate yourself, Biko. Please. Huh?
Mama, has Mama Ibuka giving you money?
She said later.
Later. Maybe I'll just go inside the market. Let me collect money from the other people that are still owing us at once.
Namdi! Namdi! Oh, Namdi, don't do this now. Let's know that what I'm hearing is true. Who locked his door? Namdi! Namdi! Oh. Namdi! 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 Oh. Namdi! Namdi, please. Namdi, you cannot leave me. Oh. Namdi! Namdi, please. This won't be true. He's also locked. No, this is not true. This cannot happen. Namdi cannot just leave me. No, it's not possible. Namdi! 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 Namdi, please, you cannot leave me. Namdi! No. Stop crying.
Igu, it's okay.
It's okay. Stop
It's not okay.
He will come back.
It's not okay.
He will come back to you.
I loved him. I gave him all. I gave him everything.
Yes, it's true.
I loved him with all in me. I wanted him so badly.
Sorry.
No.
He will come back. Stop
Just
crying.
He just left. No, he's not. He just left.
Maybe he
Just
has his
left.
reason.
No, that's not reason.
Ego, put yourself together.
Put yourself together. Stop crying. He will come back. He will come back to you.
Everything about this construction has been exhausted. The only thing that is remaining is for you to sign this document so that they will kickstart the construction. That's all.
Father, have you properly gone through the documents you are required to sign?
Prince Ejenebana, are you doubting me? You are sounding as if you are doubting me. I'm your father's right-hand man. In fact, I am the patrol which your father is using to drive in the Anioba kingdom. You know, they are very difficult people. Without me, your father cannot function properly. So don't doubt me.
Hello. Are you trying to tell me that my father has been a feeble king who relies on you to make his decisions?
Well, that's not his assumption.
Exactly. You are just in spirit. You have said it. You have said it too.
No. How much are they willing to pay?
Please, it is not necessary. I have tidied up everything. In fact, I have everything under my firm control. As we speak now, in fact, everything has been settled. Don't bother yourself.
So, I trust Nowo so much. Nowo is not just a man that talks anyhow. He is a man of wisdom. To say the least. I don't know what would have become of this kingdom if Onowu is not in the picture. I do not need to, checkmate what to sign or what not to sign, as long as it's coming from him. The document.
Yes.
So I will apply my signature.
Sign that? Yeah.
Ebuka, please. Get the car ready. I need to visit someone immediately.
Do nothing, Amanda.
Yes.
Yeah, do nothing. Yes, I said do nothing. Amanda, don't touch me. Amanda, avoid me. Amanda, avoid me.
Amanda, please! That's not the fact!
What have you done? You kill her? Amanda, please. Amanda, please. Amanda, please. Amanda, pick up. Amanda, please. Amanda, please. Amanda, don't do this to me. Amanda.
What is...
Please,
What is going on here? Amanda and Amanda on the ground. What happened to them? I don't know. Hey, see blood. Amanda is not moving. Ebuka, please assist them.
Amanda.
Ebuka, are you okay?
I'm fine.
I hope my son is safe wherever he is.
Ebuka is not picking my call either. If I see Jidenna, I am going to discipline him to the last. Guard!
Your Highness!
Take other guards into the kingdom in search of my son. Do not return to this kingdom until my son is found.
Yes, Your Highness.
Take other guards with you, Niko.
Yes, Your Highness. Guard! Guard!
My prince, your parents are still calling. Well, I think you should take their call and tell them where you are. Yeah? I'm sure they are sick, worried about you now. Please.
I do not want them to know where I am. Because if they do, they will come here and create a scene. And I do not want that.
Okay. Look. But at least go to the palace, freshen up, change these clothes. You've been wearing it for a while. Yeah, please.
Ebuka, there will be no time for that. I have to wait till the doctor comes.
Okay, all right. Okay.
DPO, I'm not fine. I am calling to report the sudden disappearance of my son, Jidena. Please, I want the police to conduct search party in favor of him. Please, DPO, I don't want that such procedure. All I need is a search party to be conducted. It's as a matter of urgency.
My king, what did he say?
Please, I need to think.
I have good news for you. Papa, the prince is missing. The whole palace has been in confusion since then. The prince is missing. They have been calling his phone and the chief guard, and he's been reaching. Okay. So, Papa, when are the builders bringing the money? Why are they paying? It's you. Okay, that is fine. So, Papa, very soon we'll be rich. Yes. Okay. Papa, I'll call you back. Doctor, where is my daughter?
She's fine. She will regain consciousness later today. So you don't need to worry, okay? Everything is taken care of.
My prince, please, pick your phone and call your parents. Yeah? So that they will stop getting worried about your whereabouts. Oh, no. Please, my prince, call them. Pick your phone.
Hello? Father, how are you? And how is mother? Father, I'm so sorry I kept you guys worried. I had an emergency to attend to. Please forgive me, Father.